right, I am very excited because it is time to put in the air intake manifold. This is the last big thing to go in. Once this sucker's in, there's no reason why we can't start the vehicle. I mean, just none. So, I am very excited about this. Now, there's quite a few things that need to be hooked up, and I'm not sure how easy or hard it's going to be. So let's kind of start getting things lined up here. One of the things I'm seeing as I'm going in here is this piece right here. It's going to be a heck of a lot easier to hook it up on this end than it will be to try to get it from the other end. There it goes. All right, so let's hook this guy in first. Okay, let's try this again. Intake manifold. Now, clearly the stuff in the back is going to be the hardest. So we will first endeavor to hook up the vacuum hose in the back and then go from there. Okay. The vacuum hose. And then let's take my needle nose pliers and get the clip in place. I need a different pair of pliers for this. Okay. I'll probably need an inch back more. Okay, there we go. All right, that's in place now. So let's slide this guy on back. Oh man, I might need to take this alternator out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this alternator out. Okay, alternator's not 100% out, but enough out of the way that this should enable. There we go. Yep, there it goes. Oh, bingo, bango, bongo. There it is. All right, we're in. Cool. So, we got a lot of things to hook up here. So let's start looking at what we can hook up. This. Turns out it's flexible. There we go. Okay, that's on now. Okay, so what's next? So let's see, you got this connected to the purge valve. I was thinking the gas would be next. I don't see why not. I'll just go ahead and reach in and slide that sucker on. I don't know if it goes past that stop or not. And then somewhere here with a special, let's see this guy here. Ah, a little bit of muscle, huh? Okay, let's try this again. There we go. And there's your safety clip. Sadly, this thing came off. Okay, that clipped in. Okay, so there's one more piece here that goes on right there. Yeah. Okay, so I might need to, goodness. That goes all the way over there. Oh my goodness. There it is, up and over. Up and over, that's the key. All right. Just got that sucker clipped in. Okay, intake manifold is ready to be secured down with 8mm bolts. I assume there's a torque sequence, a torque order, I guess that's what it's called. That needs to be followed for the intake manifold. There it is. So that looks easy enough, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where the hell, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Great. I'm going to keep this out, keep this handy. I'm going to have to keep looking at this, referring to this as I go along. So the first time through, we're going to do 44 inch-pounds. Second time through, 89 inch-pounds. So let's get her going here. What up, guys? Wiring all done. Time to put in some of these pieces. Can't believe we're at this point. This is pretty amazing. Time for the battery. That should do it. Okay, this guy could definitely be more secure. Let's see what we can't do here. Excited, nervous, a little everything. Okay, here comes the negative post. Oh my goodness, sparky sparks. Okay. All right, and I just remembered the alternator needs to be put back in place. So let's get that, and the belt that is also out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very excited. The last thing I need to do, get the belt over the alternator. Oh, needs to go over a couple of things here, it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, this belt is sloppy. Okay, there we go. Very good. All right. That's it. Time to fire this thing up. Mission complete. Well, folks, this is the end. I want to thank those who watched not only this video, but all the videos in my series. If you haven't seen the other videos that led up to this moment, please click here now to take you to that playlist. As always, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That's how we make more videos. Until next time, this is Dad Who Does.